Hello, hello. Akkam jirtu? Akkam bultanii? Akkam ooltanii? Akkam waaritanii? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, and welcome to this session. And today I'm going to talk about some questions that can be raised in Afaan Oromoo. Afaan Oromoo keessatti hennaa akkamitti akka hojjennu, Afaan Ingiliffaa wajjin wal fakkaata moo wal hin fakkaatu? Afaan Oromoo yoo beektan akkamitti Afaan Ingiliffaallee hojjechuu akka dandeessan laaluuf deemna. Kottaa kaa itti fufnaa. So we proceed. Tolasaan amma gara mana barumsaa bakka duwwaa jira jedha. Deemaa, deemee, deemaa, deemuuf. Aan maal jedhaa? Tolasaa goes to school now. Tolasaa has gone to school now. Tolasaa is going to school now. Tolasaa will go to school now. So in English, if you take this one, is it right? A, B, C, D. Which one is right? Which one do you think is right? So we are going to think like this. We are going to do it like this. Tolasaan amma gara mana barumsaa deema jennamoo, deeme jennamoo, deemaa jennamoo, deemuuf jenna. Which one is right? So I leave the question or the answer for you. And let's go to the next one. Tolasaan kaleessa mana barumsaa deema, deeme, deemaa, deemuuf jedha. If you go to the first one, for example, Tolasaa አሁን ወደ ትምህርት ቤት እየሄደ ነው ለማለት which one is right የምንለው። The second one is what? ቶላሳ ትላንት ወደ ትምህርት ቤት ሄደዋል። ቶላሳን ከሌሳ mana barumsaa deema, deeme, deemaa, deemuuf. So if your choice is number one, you mean like this. Tolasa goes to school yesterday. Is it right? If you choose number two, Tolasa went to school yesterday. If you remember, you choose it this one, it means like this. Isa sadaffaan moo filtan Tolasa is going to school yesterday. Can we say like that? Tolasa will go to school yesterday. So does this make sense? So your choice should be based on these meanings. Hiikawwan A hanga daatti jiran kan ከኤ እስከ ዲ የተሰጡትን ሚኒንግ ይሰጣል ማለት ነው። ኤ ከመረጣችሁት እንደ ኤ ማለታችን ነው። if you say A, that means you mean what? Tolasa goes to school yesterday. It means B ከመረጣችሁ ደግሞ Tolasa went to school yesterday ማለት ነው። So you have to do it accordingly. Number 3 is what? Tolasaan boru mana barumsaa bakka duwwaa jira. Boru. A deema, ba deemee, ca deemaa, daan deemuuf. So if you choose A, you mean that A means what? Tolasa goes to school tomorrow. If you choose B, you mean Tolasa has gone to school tomorrow. If you choose C, you mean Tolasa is going to school tomorrow. If you choose D, Tolasa will go to school tomorrow. So in your thinking or in your choice, which one is right? So you have to choose the right one, I mean. You have to choose the right one. So which one do you think is the right one? So when we go to the next one, Tolasaan mana barumsaa ni bakka duwwaa ni deema, ni deeme, ni deemaa, ni deemuuf. Tolasa goes to school. If you say A, you mean that Tolasa goes to school. If you say B, Tolasa has gone to school. The answer is already given at the end anyway. So I want you to check your understanding accordingly and check your understanding and give the answer, make decision. akka murteessitan እንድትወስኑ ነው የራሳችሁን የቱ እንደሆነ ከዛ አንሰሩ መጨረሻ ላይ አለ ማለት ነው። Tolasa is going to school, you mean. If you choose C, deemuuf, if you say Tolasa will go to school, you mean. So which one is right? What about the clue ni? Ni ni deeme jennamoo, ni deema jennamoo, ni deemaa jennamoo, ni deemuuf jenna. Which one is right? So the other one is what? Tolasan question number 5. Tolasan mana barumsaa waggaa baay'eef bakka duwwaa jira. Deema, deema, deemee, deemaa, deemuuf. So if you choose, your choice is A, you mean that what? Tolasa goes to school for many years. If you choose B, you mean Tolasa has gone to school for many years. Tolasa is going to school for many years. Tolasa will go to school for many years. So, which one do you think is right? Isa come to Syria. Hmm? So, this is a scenario. This is already a question. Kuni gaaffiiwwan egaa gaaffiiwwan kana deebii keessanii fi gola ba'anii asitti kennedha. To hear the summary, how things are working. So, Tolasaan mana barumsaa ni deema. Ani mana barumsaa nan deema. That means what? I go to school. Tolasaa goes to school. Tolashii mana barumsaa ni deemti. Ni deema, ni deemu, ni deemti. If you say that means what? She goes to school. He goes to school. I go to school. Nan deema. Ani mana barumsaa nan deema. If we say, that is the way we say. Deemaa jira is what? When we talk about present continuous tense. That means Tolasaan mana barumsaa deemaa jira. Tolashiin mana barumsaa deemaa jirti. Nuyi mana barumsaa deemaa jirra. We are going to school. Tolasaa is going to school. Tolasaan mana barumsaa deemaa jira. Tolashiin mana barumsaa deemaa jirti. If that is the case, we say what? Deemaa, longma. It is longma. It's followed by jira or jirti. The other one is what? Deemee jira. Tolasaan mana barumsaa deemee jira. Tolasaa has gone to school. Or we have gone to school, that means. Tolasaan mana barumsaa deemee jira. Nuti mana barumsaa deemnee jirra. Deemee jira. Hedoo alle ወይ ደግሞ ሄዷል. He has gone to school, that means. Tolasaan mana barumsaa deeme. When we say he went to school, deeme. Deema is not one. It's not A anyway. Deeme. Deemee jira is what? Has gone. But deeme is what? Went already. Deemuuf jira. Tolasaa mana barumsaa deemuuf jira. He's going to uh, do something. That means he's going to go. If it is going to form. But here, deemuuf jira is what? When we are sure that it is future. Lihed alle. He will go to school. Alright? She will go to school. In that case, we say what? Deemuuf jira. Of course, we know that present tense and future tense share the same form in Amharic and also in Afaan Oromo. Ni deema when we say ይሄዳል ስንል አሁንም ሊሆን ይችላል ወደፊትም ሊሆን ይችላል። ስለዚህ ni deemaም ሊሆን ይችላል ግን deemuuf jira is what? That shows it is a future form. Following this, kanatti aansa maaltu jira? Words that show time. Amma when we say it is now, right? Tolasaan amma mana barumsaa deemaa jira. Tolasa is going to school now. Now is also in English is a clue for us to know that the word is what? In present continuous tense. Always. Tolasaan yeroo hundaa mana barumsaa ni deema. If we say Tolasa always go to school, goes to school, right? Always go with what? With present simple. Yesterday, Tolasaan kaleessa mana barumsaa deeme. Tolasaan boru mana barumsaa deemuuf jira. We say. So these are the clues. The other clue is what? In addition to the forms we have, the other clue is what? The time, words of time. Amma. Always, yesterday, tomorrow, every morning, every day. So this shows what? That the verbs should be in present simple, present continuous, or present perfect. So this is all about today. Wanted to learn Afaan Oromo in tense, voice, or reported speech. So you can join this channel. Egaa chaanaalii kanaaf maamila ta'uudhaan afaan Ingiliffaa fi afaan Oromoo sirriitti barachuu dandeessu. Hennaan Ingiliffaa afaan Oromoon isin barsiisuu dandeenya. Reported speech afaan Oromoo active and passive voice afaan Oromootiin isin hiyyeessuu dandeenya. Haala salphaan barachuu waan dandeessanidha. Guddaa galatoomaa. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session. where I can present the past form, the perfect form, and other forms of the tense in both in Afan Oromo and in English. Thank you.